Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to buy a Fox Finance token on Binance Alpha. As you know, Fox Finance just get listed on Binance Alpha, and if you want to buy it, I will show you how in this video. Make sure you watch this video until the end. So first, you can open your Binance apps and then go to your search box here in the top, and then you can search Fox for Fox Finance. Search it and go to your Alpha tab here, and you will find Fox token here. You can click it, and this is the chart. So from the chart perspective, this is really good. I think there are some opportunities, but you have to understand this is not financial advice. You have to do your own research, and you can go to your info here if you want to see the details. There are 24-hour high, low, and the volume, and the volume is good, 40 million, I think. Yeah, and you can see their website. You can check their website and their social media. Also, you can check the audit here. You can read it, and if you want to buy it, you can just simply click right here in the bottom, and then you can choose instant. You can swap your USDT or other token to Fox. Also, you can choose limit order here. You can put the price you want to buy like this. It's up to you, and the amount here, and then you can just click buy. So yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.